What's going on, everybody? This is Shane from Heads and Tails. I got Black Betty with me today. She is our black pastel 100% VPI Xanthic 66% het pied female. In a year or two, we're going to be proving her out to hopefully see that she is indeed het for pied. We have a couple of things to cover. Today we want to talk about You Usark, shedding, what to do with your sheds, and a couple of other things, so stay tuned. We'll get right into it. Alright, so You Usark. Those guys are the ones that are fighting for us to be able to keep all of our animals. Without them, we would have a lot more problems with politicians trying to keep us from getting any of these cool animals, stuff like that. You definitely want to support them. I know a bronze membership is only like $40 a year, so you get a free t-shirt with it, so definitely do that. We're also going to be going over a couple of different things. We have started our LLC. Let me grab this real quick. We got this from LegalZoom the other day. Oh, it's backward. But that's our LLC stuff, everything that we need to be able to keep our business going and growing. So that's really cool. We're super excited about that. I've gotten a really good shed. It was in better shape, but I ripped it on accident. This one is from Roxanne, and look at that. That is big. So we're going to be sending this one along with Wheezy, the Fire Clown shed, to Eastern Michigan University, so that way they can do a little bit more research on sheds. They're doing a gene project right now to where they're trying to figure out the DNA coding for ball pythons so that we can identify them much easier, and instead of having possibles on the 66% possible pied, we would find out if she actually is pied or not. So in our enclosures, I have to say I personally like the rack system the best. I find that most of my snakes tend to be sprawled out more instead of huddled in a corner, and they all shed much better. Every time they're in a glass enclosure, you're gonna struggle with humidity, trying to keep them humid enough to be able to get a clean one-piece shed. As you can see, Roxanne has a huge clean shed, but Ned, he's over in the glass enclosure, his always comes off in little pieces. So that's something to think about. Possibly just going with a rack setup if you're having issues with shedding. I mean, there's other ways to do it, but it's just nice to not have to think about sheds, that's just something that is naturally going to be taken care of. We got some business cards, and you can follow us on the back on YouTube, Facebook, all that good stuff. We just got some of these pens also, so that's pretty awesome. I'm excited about that. And we also got some shirts, although I've been wearing mine for like the past 3 days, so, washed it. So with all of these snakes, we have decided that we're going to start breeding ASFs. That way we can kind of keep our pricing under control as far as how much we pay for rats and all that stuff. So I got some babies off in the side. I gotta put this little girl back though, because I am not having her around when the babies are out. So I'm gonna show you guys the babies. We'll come right back. So we got a few of these babies. And that's pretty cool. The other ones are in there. They've started to move them into the log. But I'm gonna throw some food in there and leave them alone, let them enjoy their day. We also have more snakes to come. Next week I should be getting 3 new snakes. So we'll see those in the next video. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. This is a new design of hats. This is a snake wear.